it's day 72 and still putting up the sides of the wall.
Yeah, we've just been for a walk to try and warm up on this foggy day. I'll let you get on with it. Mike's putting up these. So we're putting these up. This is what we're going to attach the plywood walls to when we're ready. In a week's time, probably.
This one's up ready, but it needs to be countersunk.
Oh, yeah.
And glued as well.
Gotta make it fast, right? Next to this black fire, it's just you and I now. Just make me move right. Don't stop.
This is Mike's mess.
That's organised chaos.
I need to sort this out, so I'm going to sort it out for him because he's busy doing other stuff. So I'm going to do that now.
So we messed up, going for the kill.
This is what I've done with all of Mike's stuff. I think I've done a nice little job here. So I'm just going to show him. He probably won't be able to find anything now, but I'm just going to show him and see what he thinks. Mike, come and have a look what I've done.
What?
Tidied up all your stuff.
Can't find anything, it's all tidy.
Yeah, I know. That's what I said you'd say. Like you did before.
Ah, my glasses.
Yes.
That's where I left them.
Yes, glasses and stuff doesn't go behind the crowbar.
That's a wheel brace.
What?
We put the ceiling up last week and we've noticed it doesn't finish very nicely up there.
This slight edge, we're going to have to infill.
And the same thing on the sides. Yep, we thought we might try and fix this before we put the walls up. We're not sure what we're going to do, but we're going to go and have a look today at something. But first, I've got to go get my hand checked out. I haven't been able to help Mike with any of this build.
Some excuse, isn't it?
I got an injured ligament in my hand and it's been in this cast for 2 weeks and it's getting worse. So we'll report back later. Just been to the hand place, got an update. She's referring me to a surgeon.
Oh, scary.
But it's coming out of the cast. Now we're off to find something to fix up those ugly bits in our car. So we'll see you after that. So we're back.
Ready for work.
And we've got some stuff to go on the sides here. But we'll show you that a bit later because we're not ready to do that.
Joe,
Yeah.
do you want to come in?
How you getting on?
All right.
Oh! 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 The lights are going! Oh my god, that's so exciting! Oh, look at it from out here. Oh! Oh! That looks good, Mike!
All right.
Oh my god, that looks amazing! Yeah. Yesterday we went to Spotlight and we got some fabric that we're going to put on the back to cover up those nasty edges we were talking about yesterday. I'm not sure what the stuff is, I think it's just vinyl. So we don't know if it's going to work or not. So what the first thing Mike's got to do, going to take this off here.
Yeah, that just slides off.
Just slides
if you just
off?
Have a look, it just goes like that, pops
Oh,
off.
okay, that's good.
Plan is a strip will come from here and it'll come actually down there without a joint, which is all visible. Then that bit is under the bed, we might not cover that.
Yeah.
The idea is to put a strip there and then just measure out all these angles roughly.
Yeah, because you're not going to see in here, so it doesn't really matter if it joins up there, does it? It's all very experimental.
Gotta make it fast, right? Next to this black fire, it's just you.
So Mike's all masked up. Yeah, he's gonna
Hi.
he's gonna spray blue. So I'm getting out of here. I don't want to get high.
Stream, oh, chemicals, get 'em moving, I can feel your blood. Keep it flowing, make it one more time, and then I do it again. Let you in under my skin.
Ooh, what Mike's done. That actually looks alright.
Let you in under my skin. I let you in under my skin.
That's really good, Mike. So now you can get over the
Now I
walls.
can get these strips up.
So that's it for this week's episode. Hope you enjoyed it.
Don't forget to like the video, subscribe and hit the notification bell.
And leave a comment.
Until next week,
Stay safe
have fun!
and be happy.